So you queue for ages, the food's overpriced, brick parts everywhere. When you buy something heavy, you have to lug it half a mile to the car park. By the time you get to the car park, you've slipped a disc. The weather's usually shit. Most of the stuff isn't for Land Rovers. The stuff that is for Land Rovers is rotting in the rain. Why do I even bother?
Don't forget the bargains, don't forget the bargains, 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 bargains. Newbury Spares Day. 2019. I've been coming since 2010 and it's a lot bigger. Since then, I've probably been about 15 times now. 2010 used to turn up at like 10 in the morning and just walk straight in. And it was tiny compared to what it is now. These days, you'll queue for half an hour from 10 AM to get in. It's crazy how popular it's become. And you hear a lot of foreign languages, Dutch and French and German. Probably in the last 3 years, you've started hearing languages. People are travelling from Europe to come here.
This year there was a pre-booking system that lets you jump the queue, or rather you go and join another queue that's just really small. So if everybody starts pre-booking, then we'll just be back where we started. But for the moment, it's probably worth it.
Definitely better to pre-book going forward because you don't end up rinsing your cash just to get in the gate.
And you can queue jump right to the front.
It's like we're in the 21st century or something. It's turned into a bit of a pilgrimage for me. It's not the sort of... You don't get the good stuff that you used to get, which was kind of like when there was lots of new takeoff stuff, you'd be able to get that. But now, you've potentially got bargains you can find. But to be honest, I don't come away with much stuff anymore. It's a lot trickier to find stuff. I don't know, something just keeps drawing me back.
If I see a box of genuine label parts, that's like catnip to me. The fact that it's a treasure hunt to me is part of the reason I set up LR Workshop, is that I wanted to be able to cross-reference part numbers that I found on all these new old stock genuine items when I was out there and be able to do it on my phone. I wanted to know what it actually was when I was looking at the part number. Stick the part number in the site, off we go. Easy as that. It really pays to know what you're looking at, so you don't end up buying a bunch of stuff that you think's for a Defender, but is actually for a Discovery too.
So it's not just about parts, so that's the big draw, and you can buy... they've got dog agility going on now. Dog agility.
Make a weekend of it though, don't they?
Yeah, people make a weekend of it. So it's kind of turning into a bit of a show, because sometimes you get Camel Trophy Land Rovers here, other bits and pieces. Great day out for the kids, huh?
Well, we've seen the cement mixers and we've sat on some ride on tractors. It works for a 2-year-old. No kid-sized Land Rovers this year though.
Oh,
that guy must have sold it.
What are they called? Toylanders.
Yeah.
Newbury also can be quite a good chance to see a bunch of new products in person and check out the quality. Like YRM, they were showing off a range of new products that I cannot wait to throw my wallet at, basically.
don't need to tell you to come on down the Newbury 4x4's spares day, because you probably come here already. If you live in the south of the UK or in northern Europe, you probably thought or have been here before. But there we go. So this is my haul for this year. Differential box, great for storing differentials, only £5. And air conditioning fan, condenser fan, £10, new takeoff. Rear caliper, left hand rear caliper, that was £20. So we'll buy the other one now. That's AP, so it's OEM essentially. Then a headlight leveling switch, £3. Bargains. I didn't know I was going to buy these before I came, but thought they were worth my cash. That was Newbury 2019. See you in 6 months. Bye for now. Well, there is always finding your car becomes a bit of a challenge in a sea of Defenders and other Land Rovers. Because normally when you get it, you're rushing to get in the queue and you forget where you parked.